Hi guys, in this video we're going to cover how to recover a disabled Facebook ad account on your mobile device. This video also covers how to verify your identity as an advertiser on Facebook, especially when your ad account or any of your business asset has been disabled, and it's possible for you to begin the verification process on the Facebook app and then request a review. We recently tried this at Gright with one of our ad accounts that got disabled, and believe me, it was a seamless process and it was quite interesting because the ad account got released even faster than we normally experience for some time now. So let's check this out.
So you open the Facebook app, then you click on the notification button. Then you're going to find the urgent, your ad account is disabled, then you click on it. Next, you click on request review. So we're going to request review for this ad account. Next, you confirm this code and click on continue. Next, you input your email address to receive an OTP. So you click on send login code. Then you open your email inbox. Then you input the code there and click on next. All right. So you're going to begin the record video where Facebook is going to look out for motions with video recordings. Make sure you hold your phone properly and there's enough lighting in that you follow the on-screen instructions, that you submit your video once you're done. So next, you're going to wait for your video to be uploaded on Facebook. So after it's been submitted, you're going to see a notification where you have to wait for some hours, usually within 48 hours. But in ours, it took just a few minutes and the ad account was restored. All right, so you click on finish. So do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. See you guys later.